let's build the controls for the head. It's not going to be that hard. Let's select this one and duplicate it. So I already have the head control, and that's this one. So this will be, that's the head. Here are the gills. What I do for this is I'm going to take my new control here and snap it to the gills, tip it 90 degrees, scale it out, so the gills are kind of, yeah, they're right there. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. You don't use the gills a lot, so I tend to have the control kind of hidden. Let's just have the gills kind of popping out. We can name this really quickly. Gills. Go back to this control and let's duplicate it. So you can see this control is not moving that upper lip, so don't really need to weight it. That's controlling really nothing, so it's really going to just be the jaw. So on those end pieces, you might want to check them before you build controls for something that doesn't move anything. So let's make this jaw work. I already duplicated it. When I did this, I selected 2 of them. I got myself into trouble before, because once you start duplicating them and moving them, you start having multiple controls. So make sure you just select one. I don't want them. I want this one. I'm going to snap it there. I'm going to tilt it 90 degrees on the Z. Let's move it out. I like to move it on my side, the side view. So it's going to be obvious that that is my jaw control. Hold down D, V, middle mouse click, and snaps it there. Name this jaw. Let's duplicate another one for the eye. Snap it to the eye. Get it rotated nicely. Kind of get it around the eye like that. Right now the joint is a little bit too far out for the eye. I don't like that positioning. I want a better positioning, which is more on the inside of the eye. You come in here, you can see that's probably better work. That's probably a better spot for the pivot point. So you can hold down D and V and snap the pivot point to that vert right there. So when you rotate this, it'll rotate more like where the eye should rotate. Let's name this left underscore eye. So I got my gills, my jaw, and my eye. I'm not going to do the right side because there's a quick trick to kind of do that. So we can flip this and rename them quickly. So why waste our time doing them? Why waste our time right now and making extra controls if we don't have to? All right. So I got the jaw, I got the eye. Now let's move into the fins. All the pivot points are in the right spot and everything's named. So in the next video, I'll go and do probably these 2 sets of fins.